By the way, have you been granted British nationality as yet or not yet?
Not yet.
So what is your national status here?
Exceptional leave up to 2000.
What?
Stay of exceptional leave up to 2000.
Year 2000, right. And can you travel to Europe in the meantime or no?
Yeah, I can, yes.
With regular documents?
Yes.
You can?
I can, yes. But
you know, I was thinking of what we shall do without you if I send you to Europe. Because it has been reported to me many times that there's a large number of Somalians who reside in different European countries like Belgium, Holland, Germany particularly, and so on. And people who write about them, they always praise them very highly about their quality of chastity, in the sense that ladies are properly dressed and they never permit them to be Europeanized. And they are genuinely religious people. Islam is their mark and they do not try to hide this mark. So he thought that if we have some missionary dedicated to convert them to Ahmadiyyat, they are generally, according to the writer, sensible people, understandable, despite the fact that to begin with they are against Ahmadiyyat, very staunch in their anti-Ahmadiyya stance. They are very strong. Yet they are sensible. Once you approach them with logic, they respond. But he suggested that they would respond to a Somalian much more than a Pakistani doing the same. Because a Somalian would be one of them. And they would listen to his voice much more than to any ABC. So that put me on the thought that perhaps you could be a roaming missionary for a while. Then I thought, what about this poor class, you know, which is so addicted to your presence. So I have thought of that as well. I think if you are ready to go for this purpose, we can have your written questions with your picture every time shown on television. Okay, this is Abdul Rahman, and although he is not here, but his question is there. So then in that case you will remain with us as well as you remain with your Somalian brothers in Europe. Agree? So tell Tafsir and Rizwan, please. Oh yes.
هذه مفاجأة من حاطم يومين.
No, I think you better permit me to leave now because there is also a janazah prayer to be said before Zuhur.
Okay.
And I think you don't mind, in the meantime you start translating.
Okay.
Right?
Awesome.